In today's session, we are going to discuss about comments. For example, in my HTML file, I have some text that I write for my understanding purpose, and I don't want that text to be visible to the user in a browser. Or I have some element which I want to be temporary unavailable, temporary unvisible to the user. For that, we use comments. Let's create a file comments.html. I am creating a HTML file, so I am using the extension .html. Let's quickly create a basic structure of HTML file. First, we need a doctype declaration, doctype HTML, as we are using HTML5. Then we need a HTML element. Then we need a head element inside our HTML element. Inside the head element, we need a title, which is one of the meta information about our website. So let me give title of my page to comment. Outside the head element, but inside the HTML element, we have an element called body. Whatever content I am going to place over here will be shown in my screen. I write a text called "This is a demo website." Let's open my website in a browser. So it is showing my text, "This is a demo website." But for instance, I write this text for my own purpose. I don't want this text to be shown to people. So I need to comment this text. To comment the text, we need a less than sign, exclamatory mark, dash dash. Then after the text which I want to comment, I want to place dash dash greater than sign. Now if I go to the page, the text which were showing previously over here is now invisible. For example, I have an element paragraph p element. In the paragraph p element, I have a text paragraph. Let's see in the page, I have a text paragraph. Now I want to invisible, temporary unavailable this entire element. So for this, I need to comment this line. To comment this using a shortcut key, we use Alt backslash, Control backslash. So by using a Control backslash, our line, the selected line will get committed. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insight on the fascinating world of technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.